Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to move someone back in message request in Instagram. It's very easy to do, you just have to follow me step by step. At first open your Instagram app, then go to your message by clicking on this messenger button. Then click on that name you want to go back to your message request. I'm clicking on this profile for example. Then just click on his name here. Then click on this three dot and lastly click on restrict, so you can see, and confirm it by clicking on here. So now as you can see his name is disappeared from here, so we'll find him in the request button. So click on request button. So as you can see his name is in the request option, so just click on his name. You can see his message and you can unrestrict him anytime by clicking on unrestrict. So this is how you can move someone back to your message request again. And thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel.